Lola, can you show Papa where the giraffe is?
Where's the giraffe? Where is the giraffe? Where's the giraffe?
Yay! So smart.
Hey.
Where's the owl?
Where's the owl? Owl. Where's the owl?
Yay!
Where's the pretzel?
Where's the jelly beans?
Oh my gosh.
Where's the crayons? Oh, close. Where's the crayons?
Crayons. The crayons.
Okay, let's try a different
Why
one.
don't you come over here?
Try a different one, Papa.
Come over here. Where is the star? The star. Where's the star, Lola? Yay! Okay. Where is the hat? Where's the hat, Lola? The hat. You see a hat anywhere?
Yay! Good girl.
Okay.
I'm trying to get where it's not a glare.
Where is the dog? Where's the dog? Roof. Where's the dog? See a dog? Where's the dog, Lola? Where's the dog? You don't see
Where's
a dog?
the dog? Besides the one getting ready to climb on the table.
Where's the dog? Can you point to the dog? Yeah! Roof. Okay, where is the fish? Where's the fishy? Yay!
Where's the elephant?
Yeah!
Where's the nest?
Yeah!
Look, here, scoot the bench over closer so she can. Want to scoot your stool over? She's gonna sit on it instead.
Nope, we gotta arrange it. Oh, let's put it up here. Hold on. Where is the apple? Oh, no. Nope.
I think she's done playing now. Lola, where's the monkey?
Okay, I'll give that one.
Where's the monkey? Oh, you're not playing anymore? You don't want to play? What is that? What is that one?
Where is the monkey?
Have you had enough? You stinker. Lola.